Hey y'all, and welcome again to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Just coming on here real quick to let y'all know that today is October the 10th. Wanting to remind you that it's the last day to sign up for the Christmas paper pumpkin. Letting you know, if you would like to sign up under me, let me be your demonstrator for that. The link will be down in the description box below with my host code, or you can just go to stampinup.com and then you click on Find a Demonstrator and you put my name in where it says Find a Demonstrator, and then you go where it says Paper Pumpkin and you sign up. Please leave me a comment below. I'd love to know if you plan on getting the paper pumpkin. Also, would you please give me a thumbs up? That would really help my channel grow with your support. And if you could share this video. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe and click the notification bell for all notifications. That way YouTube will let you know when I'm making a new video. So I thank you so much for all your support on my channel and everything that you've done with all the comments and everything and the thumbs up. And y'all have a very blessed day. And I'll see you soon in the next one.